In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front window switches in this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located in the front doors. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cover, use a trim tool, just get underneath the panel, just pop it up, a couple clips holding it in, pull that out. And then there's some tabs on the top, so you gotta slide it down. Just some clips. Now using a 7mm socket, take these screws out. If you need to, use a magnet. Grab the bezel. Just gonna slide it up and out. Now we can disconnect the connectors, push on the tab, slide that off. There's another connector here, push down. Take that one out. And then this one has a little lock tab on it. Just wanna move that little lock tab up. I'm just using a pick, a little red tab, and then push down. And we'll slide that out. Go. Now we're going to remove the switch out of the bezel. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. There's little clips on the back here. You just want to push the switch backwards a little bit while you pop the clips up. Take that out, comes right out. Now take the window switch. Slide that in the bezel so it locks in place. Now we'll connect the connectors. Lock that down. Take this connector, push that in place for the door lock switch. And then push down on the lock and the window switch connector. Lock that down. Just slide this in place, take the screws, get those started, and snug those down. And take this cover, line that up, snap it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.